Bankers Live Fieldhouse should be loud and proud Friday night. Game 3 of this Eastern Conference playoff series, Pacers and Cavaliers. Eddie Gill, what do you expect, not just from the atmosphere, but from on the court for Game 3?
I expect the Pacers to come out ready to play. I expect that energy from the crowd to just spill over onto the court. Expect these guys to come out really aggressive. Looking forward to taking advantage of the opportunity. You missed Victor Oladipo a lot in that first half. Look to see him to come out and be aggressive. And I'm anxious to see what type of game plan they put together defensively in terms of the way LeBron was able to come out and attack initially.
We saw a passive LeBron James in Game 1, just 2 points in the first quarter. We saw an aggressive LeBron in Game 2 with 20. I'm guessing a little bit more of aggression than passiveness.
Yeah, I think he'll be aggressive again, but want to see if the Pacers will allow him to play one-on-one as much as he did to start the game, or will they throw multiple defenders at him and see can they make three-point shots.
Eddie Gill will join me for pre- and post-game coverage. The Indiana Members Credit Union Pacers Live pregame Friday night starts at 6:30.